Hi guys, welcome to Crypto Bin 101 and my name is Ahmed Oladmeji Kazim. This is Bitcoin and Breakfast Show where we trade it and we don't gamble it. This is another jam-packed episode whereby we're going to be looking into some things that have been happening in the news and we're going to be analyzing the charts. We're going to be looking at the fundamental news that will come out this week. And also, we're going to be checking out the chart analysis to know where Bitcoin is now going after the dip that happened on Friday, which was said before on this channel. So stick around. And before I go further, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do like, subscribe, share, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't forget to put on the notification button as well, so you can always get our notification when we post the latest on the new video. Today, I've got so much things to talk about, but I'm just going to brief it so we don't waste our time. And before I go further again, I think you need to give me a crown. Because if you check my previous video, I told you Bitcoin is going to go below 23K. It happens. Again, I told you when we broke the 23K, we broke our target, which was 22,850. I specifically said that we're going to hit 21,750 there, about exactly where the market touches and trying to rally around. More of that we're going to look into when we reach the segment of the chart analysis, where we're going to check out the Bitcoin out, the Ethereum, and one of the altcoins out there. I still remain myself, Ahmed Oladmeji Kazim. Welcome to the show again and stick with me. Before we go further, let's check what's happening in the market. Let's check the news rather. Tornado Cash developer arrest in Netherlands draws community protest. I think we spoke about the Tornado Cash issue, that it's been a problem since the developer, because the code has been used for some illegal things and stuff like that. And now the developers have been arrested in Netherlands. Also, let's check the main news. 3 months after being elected into power, Australia government have now finally made a decision or map out a way how they're going to regulate the cryptocurrency. Australia new government finally signals its crypto regulation stance. So, and I feel it's a good thing for the crypto space when we find out that now regulation is not coming in bit by bit. And this is for our own good. So we can know our money is secured and stuff like that. But like I said, the regulation doesn't mean the government will not be in control like they did to fiat and all of that. It's just that to know that, okay, to be able to protect probably money laundering, criminal activities, and so on and so forth. And also to protect the customers from not falling victim to the scammers out there. Like we all know, crypto is still new. A lot of people can't even mention 5 or 10 cryptocurrencies. I'm speaking to you. So getting into crypto now is still new. It's still a baby. You are not late if you get into crypto now. That's on that. Let's take a look at another news that's making headline. Bitcoin trader hits by 210 million of long liquidation on Friday. If you're part of this show, you shouldn't be part of them, because we said Bitcoin was going to drop. Since Bitcoin failed to break 25,500, we knew it was going to come below 23K, touch 22,850, and break there. We're going to 21,700 something there about. That's where we are. What's going to happen next? Stick to the show where we talk about, where we analyze the chart rather. Another news making headline is FTX increased revenue by 1,000%. Wow. In 2001. And 2022 looks even better. You can see how much money is in crypto, guys. The space is crowded, there's so much noise, but if you stick to a channel like this where you get the good information, you know what to do, you will find your safe place in the crypto space. And that's why you need to subscribe, like, share, and also put on the notification button so you can get the latest information from this channel. And remember, this is Bitcoin and Breakfast Show. Another news making headline is 75% of London ETH lands on Tornado Cash report. You see, I can see the reason why there's been problem with Tornado Cash and all of that. You understand? Tornado Cash has become a common money laundering platform with rapidly growing incident across Ethereum and Bitcoin, Binance Smart Chain on a consistent uptrend. Can you see? So I feel like that's why they're trying to just pull these guys down because it's like they design it for some specific thing and which we don't need that in the crypto space. A substantial magnitude of the illicit fund has lost their trail after going through the mixer. You understand? Because the tornado cash is a combination of all I think Ethereum, blockchain, and stuff like that into like a lock box and a mixer. Once it goes in there, it's very hard to 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 get or to trace um, the source. So now that's that on Tornado Cash. You can check it out, guys. And talking about ETH again, the merge has cooled off because we're expecting it to the merge to happen very soon. And the difference between the merge is just moving from proof of work to proof of stake. And I'm still going to share more lights on that on this channel. So stick to the channel so you can understand more better about what the merge is all about on the Ethereum blockchain. So without wasting our time, let's share what's going to happen this week. Like today, there's not much news today. No news at all today. I'm talking about fundamental news. But let's take a look at what's going to happen throughout the week. On Tuesday, like I said, there's nothing happening today. On Tuesday, we should be expecting some news from the EU, GBP, Europe generally, sorry. And on Wednesday, we're going to be looking at some crude oil inventory, some durable goods order rather. And on Thursday, we're going to be looking at retail sales. We're going to be looking at employment claims. And on Friday, excuse me, and on Friday, we're going to be looking at core PCI price index, Fed share POS picks. I think that's important on Friday. And also Jackson Hole Symposium, something like that. So those are just the news we have uh, this week, which we're still going to throw more light to that on the next episode of as the show goes on. Without wasting our time, let's move to the chart and see what's actually happening today or what's going to happen later in the chart. Right now, like we said, Bitcoin has completed the movement we're expecting because the 20 oh sorry, I said market was going to get down to 27 something. You can check the previous video. So market touched the place, we test the place, and now creating structure. So I would advise you don't get in now. Let the market pull back to touch this zone. If the market should touch this zone, because we've created a structure like this, I'm expecting market to pull down to below 20K again. Then from there, maybe we can have a possible buy. You understand? Then market will move upward. Do you get what I'm trying to say? And also, if we fail to do that and the market break this 2760 thereabouts, we might see a downtrend or movement coming down. Just stick to the channel because I'll be analyzing the market on the Let's Trade segment, whereby I'll be throwing more light into what's going to happen this week or into what's going to happen today in crypto, in Bitcoin and ETH and other altcoins. But for now, I just feel like where a structure is being formed, which I like that. Once I see a structure, I need to get ready. I mean to buy. So now I'm looking for a pullback to a lower time frame block order where I can now place my long and minimize my risk. So probably I might pull my position at 50 points, 50 point lots, 50 point position from where I'm going in case the market go wrong because sometimes you can be 80% right and 20% wrong. So you need to be careful when you place your trade. So I think on Bitcoin today, the market is just still riding around after the fall. And I believe with time, we're going to see good movement or real movement. Let's check on a higher time frame a bit to actually get the code of what will transpire between now and Friday. When I put my Fibo to check where the market has been rallying, I believe it should be 20.3 and it is. You see, it's 0.23, 0.3. I've not even drawn the finish, but I know where it's supposed to stay because that's what we're doing. So it's on 0.23. So I believe we should see right below that. And if we cannot break that 21,650, that's the spike we have. I'm expecting the market to continue falling. But stick around to know more about the chart, and you can know if you should place your trade or if you should not place your trade. But for now, I'm not in the market. I am just watching and I'm getting ready to place my trade. You should do that too, so you save yourself from stress. I think that's on BTC. Now let's quickly check ETH before we move on to the next segment of the show. ETH USD, like I said, ETH should drop even below 1688 or something like that. Whoa. I didn't know, wow. Because I didn't actually check the chart. But you can see where we are. ETH is trading on 1587. Go check my previous video. I told you ETH will break 1688. And now price is trading at 1587. You can see how valuable this channel is to you. You're a trader, investor, you want to have knowledge about crypto, you need to subscribe to this channel because what is happening here is what you cannot get elsewhere. You can't get it anywhere because we give you the first class information and we tell you the truth. You understand? We tell you the truth. This is what you should do. This is what you shouldn't do. Not financial advice anyway, but it's just that we're in the market and we experience. So we're using that to help you guys so you can be a bit safe in the crypto space and make the right and good decision. That's on that. Let's quickly check our altcoin now. Let's check Solana USD. Let's see what's happening with Solana USD. Solana USD. Okay, Solana 2 is dropping. So I'll just wait. If Solana is breaking 34, then you can take more shots. But for now, it hasn't break 34. I wouldn't expect you to take a shot yet. The shot will be guaranteed if it breaks $34. As far as it's still on here, we can have the market prepare because I can see structure being formed here. To fair 1, 2, 3, 4 can pull back and we'll see uptrend movement. So stick to the channel again to get more of that, or comment down in the comment section to talk about what crypto or what coin we should analyze, and we can drop the video for you immediately. Okay, that's that on the chart analysis. It's quick, but if you want to have a good in-depth into the chart, subscribe to the channel, stick to the channel, and watch our Let's Trade episode whereby we dissect, analyze, and talk about the chart in full details. What's trending? Let's check what's trending. Let's check what's trending today on Twitter, because the crypto has been falling for so long. So definitely, I expect to see. Yeah. Okay, not too much trending on Twitter for my feed, but I think you can just check it out. And also, shout out to our Instacash FX. Shout out to Instacash FX for sponsoring us and sponsoring the show. And it's been a wonderful journey with them. If you want to sell a coin, you want to buy Bitcoin, you want to sell Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency, you can go to www.instacashfx.com and place your order and you get paid immediately, or you can contact them on their contact details to make your order, and I guarantee you will get paid immediately. Shout out to Instacash FX. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, please go to the channel, click on the subscribe button, and let's keep the channel growing. You can see we're doing numbers since we started, and I believe in no time this is going to be the biggest show in Africa. And this is Bitcoin and Breakfast Show episode 7. Thank you for hanging out with me today. My name still remains the same, Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim. And this is a channel where we trade it and we don't gamble it. Until I catch you tomorrow on another fantastic and beautiful episode where we'll be shedding more light to chart analysis, checking out the fundamental news, news that are making headlines, talking about good things that are happening in crypto. And probably this week we're going to be looking into some NFTs and some metaverse you can put your money in or you can just dispose because there's a lot of bubble going on there. Until then, I remain myself, Ahmed Olad Kazim, and do have a wonderful day. Peace.